Hello everyone, this is Kaushal and I welcome you all back to my channel. We all know it's autumn and it's time to get some thick clothes. So guys, I went to search some of my old clothes and in this series of videos, I'm going to customize them. Let me tell you guys, this series of videos is gonna be full of colors, a lot of patterns and a lot of experiments. Guys, I'm going to start with the denim jacket. Let's get started. This is the jacket that I'm going to paint and I'm using marker to make a picture of. You'll see later what the picture is about. I hope you are getting hint of what I'm painting. I named this painting as Illusion and for which I'm using colors cream, white and yellow to make the facial tones. So here I start painting. I'm using cream color to paint the base, and for the exposed part I'm using a blend of white and yellow. I let the painting to dry naturally, so I'm not using any dryer, checking out if it's totally dry or not. Now time to make the eyes, for which I'm using red color for adding those veins and capillaries, and also using black color for making the outline for nose and lips. Now I'm into making some details over the face. These are random details, so it's your wish. You can write or make any symbol as you like. So you see I've written punk, boy, making a trident, spring, arrow, peace symbol, and I don't remember what else I added. For making the lip, I made pink color using white and red, and yeah, for the eyes I'm using violet and blue and black. Now I'm using masking tape for making some geometrical designs over the face of the painting. This is an interesting part, blood coming out of the eye. I'm adding some text over the lip. So for that I'm using base color of blue, orange, yellow, black, and later I'm going to outline them using black, white for making the letters visible. It's very random, I wrote anything I liked, so if you are trying this, you can do that too. So here I'm adding eyebrows, the eyelashes. So guys, now we have reached to the phase 2 of painting, for which I'm using stencils to make a galactic butterfly. This part is so easy and the results are amazing that you'll see by yourself. Just what you have to do is dip color into the brush and spray over the stencils as shown in the video. So here you see the results that we got. Yeah, I feel they are amazing. The galactic butterfly is not good at that part, so I'm going to give a cover up for which I'm making a board and then I'm writing a text over it. When you are in hurry, make sure you blow dry the painting, because if you let it dry naturally, it may take up to 15-20 minutes. So once it's dried properly, we are going to write the text over it. And for writing the text, I am using a lemon green color. Love is in the air. Yeah, love is in the air. And now I am adding outline for the board. You can blow dry it or dry it naturally as per your time. Now I'm adding outlines for the text. Adding the outline make it look beautiful. In this part I'm going to write illusion. So illusion contains, I think, including the hashtag, it contains 9 letters. So U is the mid. So I'm starting with the mid part. I'm writing U in the mid, and then SION on the right part, and ILL and hashtag on the left part. For painting I'm using yellow, and for its outlining I'm using a dark green. Here is the result. Now I am going to make arrows on the sleeves using masking tape. These arrows are inspired from Liam Payne tattoo and I really love them, but I'm going to use black and white in alternate to make the arrows. After putting the tape, make sure that you press it properly so that there is no leakage during the painting. And there is also one trick for painting. Always hit the brush inward, that is, start from the tape and hit it inward, not from in to out. Here is the result. It's looking amazing. Now on the other sleeve I'm going to write since 2000. Guys, I'm since 1997, but since I'm making this for my brother, I've written since 2000. For which I'm using black color as a base color, and its outline I'm going to do using white. Now it's time to work on front part of the jacket, for which I'm not going to make any animations or I'm not going to write anything, because too much of words or too much of pictures, they don't look good. So I'm separating that part for the part which I'm going to splatter the paint, and I need to cover that white part. I didn't have any paper nearby, so I used the cards to cover those white patch, and then I'm going to splatter the lighter colors on the navy blue part. For the whiter part I'm going to use darker colors. So you see how I'm splattering those colors
using a hard brush. I mean the bristles should be hard. And for the lighter part, I'm using finger to splatter the paint. So guys, this is the final result and I'm literally loving it. They are super easy and they can be made with minimal effort. So I recommend you all try this one.
Guys, let me tell you one thing. I am very happy that I have been receiving feedbacks from you guys. The positive ones, they motivate me to make more and more videos, some good content, and also those which I don't take as negative. They are like a lesson to me. So I request you again to pass feedback. I am very happy when I get feedback from you guys. So guys, that's all for today's video. And if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, comment, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys.